Hi guys, and welcome to Jamie Loving All Seasons. I am Jamie, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you chose to click on that button and give me a try. For all my returning subscribers, thank you from the bottom of my heart for you to continually coming back, checking out, seeing what I'm up to, commenting with me, hitting that big like button. I appreciate you more than you know. So today I have a Home Good and Target haul. Now, originally when I filmed, I wanted to put the haul and the shop with me together. But if you guys went and checked out my last video, the shop with me, I did it separately. It was just too long. My videos get longer and longer every time I do it. So if you guys are clicking into this for the haul, make sure you go check out the shop with me. You guys, there was so much I left on the shelves. I told you I'm trying to be choosy this year, so you don't want to miss that. I'll put it in the description box below. And that way you can, if you're on your phone, you can go ahead and click on it and head right over there. So with that all being said, guys, hit that bell right there to subscribe. What are you waiting for? You don't want to miss any. And you want to hit that bell so you see it all. All right, I'm done chattering. We'll get into the haul. Let's go. I'm going to start with TJ Maxx. I don't have as much, but some real exciting things. First of all, I've been wanting this. Okay, it just says coffee, but guess what? It's the candle, you guys. And it smells like coffee. And I'm so in love. Now, you know, this was originally, I think, $14.99. I got it on sale for $8. This smells so good. And you know, their candles tend to be a lot. And I don't always like necessarily a lot of the scents that they have. But this one's perfect for the coffee bar or over by my other actual coffee pot that I have just sitting there. And then if I want to light it, which I probably will, because I love a coffee candle. What about you guys? Comment below. Do you love the smell of coffee? I do. For example, today, my husband had the coffee ready, brewing. That woke me up. That smell woke me up this morning. So the next, which I need to thank Jackie. Warm hugs. Olaf. Okay. I liked the Frosty the Snowman and the Olaf ones. This is the first one I've seen, you guys. At least that I think. I don't think I passed any up. But Warm Hugs is so cute because to me it'll go perfect with my winter theme. Or I can turn it around like that and just have Olaf, which he can go with the winter theme. And I like that it says Warm Hugs. Now, this was $7.99. So, I know each of them have been a little different. Like, I want to say one of the Disney ones said $9.99 for just the mug. So maybe this was an old one. I'm not going to lie, that tag looked like it was stuck on there. But thank you, Jackie. She had told me that she saw it in there. I saw her out and about shopping. And she was like, did you want one of those? So thanks. I picked it up. All right. Last for TJ Maxx. Told you this haul's not real big, but I do have quite a bit for home goods. Not a lot, but for home goods. You guys. You know that box? You know that? I think these are adorable, you guys. Now, I got to be honest for you. And please don't get mad at me out there. I know a lot of people love the Johanna Parker stuff, okay? I'm not the biggest fan. I mean, I don't dislike it, but some of it's really kind of creepy to me. So I think the Halloween was the one thing that I did get, and I saw that I really liked, and I got the little vampire. He was so cute, but then these just spoke to me. I think these are adorable, but I'm not gonna lie, some of them seem a little creepy to me. Don't get mad, guys. Don't get mad. But look at their little faces. How adorable, right? This one has like the black around the bottom. And then this one has more just the cream. I want to say their faces look the same, right? And then the handles are different. But how stinking cute are those? I love them. They're so cute. So I could not pass those up. This for the two, you guys, were $16.99. And this was TJ Maxx. Now, I don't know, you guys would have to comment below. Is this an older one and they just brought it back or what? Or I'm not sure how that stuff goes. Now, just so you know, at Home Goods, I have found a single one, but it was cracked. And the lady's like, oh, I can only take this much off. And I was like, yeah, that's okay. You know, I'm sure someone will want it for that price, but I think I'm going to pass. So, because I had went into Home Goods first and then went into TJ Maxx. So I'm glad I did, because this, you guys, was in the, like, checkout. I had found the coffee. I had found the coffee for clearance, and I was like, yeah, I'm getting that, because I've been wanting that, but I just didn't want to pay that much. And this was on another trip. So that was a different day, but I was so excited to find those because those are super cute, and I can understand why you guys like them. They do have a lot of character, but not all the pieces are for me. So now, Home Goods, you guys, I have passed this mug up. I can't even tell you how many times, right? I videotaped it, wink, wink. I know this was like a huge one last year. They brought it back out. Well, I realized when I was getting ready to do my coffee bar, I'm like, you know what? I wouldn't mind having one more pink for the coffee bar, because I don't have tons of Valentine's Day stuff. It is not one of the holidays that I decorate as much, but I do have a lot of little things that I'm going to put out that I bought from Dollar Tree and work on my coffee bar. I think it'll look really cute. So this one was still $5.99, and that was at Home Goods. All right. Next, I caved. This is the speckled, if you can see. So I know a lot of people are not, they don't care for this. They don't like the speckled look, if you can see. And what that speckled look is supposed to be is like an egg. Like if you look at a natural egg, sometimes they have those little speckled spots on them, right? So that's, I guess, was their thinking, but I know a lot of people do not like this, but this saying got me. Did some bunny say chocolate? Get it? Like a chocolate bunny. I just thought it was so adorable. So it had to come home with me. It did. And this one was $6.99. So their regular cup mugs like this have went up $1. I'm sure, and most of you guys have seen that in your stores. All right. Then I grabbed these pasta noodles. I thought they were really cute. They're in the shape of a heart. And you know, I like to use noodles, shaped noodles and stuff like that in my clear glass jars for on my counter as decor. Now, I have not tried it. I don't know if I will. I don't know if I'll package them up for next year. But these were $3.99, and you get, does it say 63 ounces? So, but how cute are those, right? You know, this was just like, this actually, they had this by the Valentine's Day stuff, and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to pick those up because I'm getting ready to do my kitchen. By the way, I will be part of the collaboration with Crafty Girl Down South, Sherelle, and Daniel. Second Chance, oh my goodness. Second Chance Love, I believe. I'm subscribed to his channel, but I'm horrible with names and things like that. I'm just so bad. But if you guys have not checked out either one of those channels, go check them out. Daniel finds so many amazing Ray Dunn items at Goodwill's. He's in California. His store is just filled with it. Filled. So I love watching his channels. And Sherelle, oh my gosh, you guys, she is just as cute and sweet as can be. And her husband will make wooden pieces, all kinds of wooden pieces. They go to Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and then he'll make pieces for her. Her house is so cute, and she does decorate with me's. She even does like some cooking, I believe, but really cute. Lots of home tours. She does hauls, all kinds, but she likes the seasonal decorating. So I will be part of that collaboration. They're the hosts. There's probably about 30 creators. So it's going to be February 2nd. So check us out. All right, guys. All right, wait a minute. Wait. Chocolate bunny, right? I love it. I love it. That is so cute. Now I'm behind because I don't know what's new, what's old, but there's this pretty green in there, okay? Inside the cup. This one was $6.99. And this was in the checkout, you guys. They had a couple Easter cups, and it was like stuck in the back, and all I could see was the green inside, and I was like, ooh, okay. Then I saw the chocolate bunny. I'm like, okay, I like that. But then, you know, we got to check the back, and I'm like, yes, I'll take that. All right. Last, but like I say, but not least. So this was brought out again. And this is another thing I have to thank Jackie. Jackie, thank you. She had my wheels churning. I'm trying not to buy, and she's talking me into buying more, which was Over the Rainbow. Now, you know me and baby canisters. That's my thing. I love baby stuff, smaller stuff. Baby canisters. This was $14.99. They brought this back out. I have the cup with the little rainbow. But what she was saying I could do, like if I wanted to do a tier tray, she was like, of course you can use it with your St. Patty's, which I love that idea. So thank you. But she also said I could do like a little Wizard of Oz. How fun would that be, right? You guys. She showed me her hutches, and they are beautiful. Beautiful. She's like, Jamie, there's a place you can go get one made. And I'm like, oh God, my husband's going to be like, no, you can't talk to her no more. Because he's trying to slow me down, and she's ramping me up. So, but thank you, Jackie. She had this. She was walking around with it. And then she was like, no. And I think she already had it, but she was going to possibly get it for somebody. So she was like, do you want it? she's like, I hate to leave it. And so I took it. But that is it. That is it for this this haul. Honestly, I think what we're going to do here is end it right here. I just wanted to let you know about some of those things. Be on the lookout February 2nd. Like I said, I believe there's almost like 30 creators or something like that is going to be part of this. I believe we'll have a list and that you guys can go check them out. Once again, Second Chance Love, Daniel, and then Crafty Girl Down South. They are the hosts. So be on the lookout for that. I'm really excited to be part of that collaboration. I need to go check out some of these other creators and subscribe because I'm sure they're just as amazing as the two that are hosting it. So be on the lookout for that. I have a couple more organizing coming up. I'm going to do a little more of the Cricut tutorials or show you what we can make with it. I'm a newbie. I'm still learning, but if that's something you're interested in, stick around for that. I have my coffee bar. I have the winter. I'm going to show you kind of what I did throughout the house for the winter and Valentine's. I'm keeping them up together. I think they'll both stay up probably till the end of February. And then we'll see, because it's still so cold here in Michigan and I hate to take it down and put spring flowers up. It just doesn't make sense if we have snow or it's freezing outside, right? But that's it. So make sure you guys give me the big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not, what are you doing? Subscribe. Comment below. All right. I like asking you guys questions. One of the questions I'm going to ask is, what one thing, if you had to stop buying or to declutter and go, okay, I can't keep buying this anymore because it's overtaking, because I have that going on in my house right now, you guys. What would your one item be? I'm not going to lie. I have so many things that I like to buy a lot. The mugs. Just decor in general. Seasonal decor. That's probably the biggest. So I really am planning on trying to kind of downsize some of it. Keep the items that I really love and go from there. But it's a process. It's a process. Is yours clothes? Would you stop buying so many clothes? Purses? Oh, that used to be me. And shoes? That used to be me. So, let me know. Comment below. All right, guys. I've taken up enough of your time today. Thanks for tuning in. You guys, be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time.